KMC Conquest wireless products are a quick, easy-to-install solution that seamlessly incorporate wireless sensors into your current controls network. In this video, we're going to walk through planning an installation and conducting a site survey. Our goal is to install a few sensors in the KMC kitchen and cafeteria. Let's start by looking at a floor plan. The first thing we need to consider in our site plan is the preferred location of the sensors and the gateway. Ideally, we'd like to have our first sensor on the south pillar, our second sensor on the north pillar, and the third sensor in the kitchen. Our gateway is going to be located in the equipment room, where the air handler controller for this area resides. The next thing to think about is the approximate distances between the sensors and the receiver. The distance between the receiver and sensor 1 is 25 feet, sensor 2 is 35 feet, and sensor 3 to the receiver is 75 feet. These distances all fall within the recommended range of transmission, although the sensor 3, depending on obstructions, may be marginal. The next item in our site plan is construction materials and obstructions between the sensors and the gateway. Sensors 1 and 2 are relatively unobstructed. However, they are mounted on pillars that contain steel posts for the building. We will also have to transmit through the wall into the equipment room. Sensor 3, being the farthest sensor, also has to transmit through obstructions of the corridor and into the kitchen. We may need to adjust the positions of the sensors in order to get reliable transmission. As backup locations for the sensors 1 and 2, we can locate these on a different face of the pillars. For sensor 3, we may have to move the sensor to a different wall inside the kitchen. One thing we can also consider is moving the gateway to the outside wall of the equipment room in order to remove that wall from the equation. Now that we have a plan, let's move to the cafeteria and conduct our site survey. Here we are in the KMC cafeteria. Let's go into our equipment room, set up our software tools, and look at the performance of the sensors we're going to install. We have our software utility and sensors ready to be monitored. We've already configured KMC Connect to listen for these sensors using the address that's underneath the covers. Let's look at the receive strength for each of the sensors. We've mapped all of the points we're getting from these sensors into backnet objects in the controller. In order to monitor the receive strength, we can use the configuration form. Another option would be to set up a table view that will continually refresh the receive strength and the time since last transmission. This way, we can more easily evaluate system performance. Our test setup has KMC Connect running on the laptop and our KMC Conquest device connected to a wireless gateway. Our goal is to install this controller in our equipment panel that's running the air handler for the cafeteria. This is the location of sensor 1 temporarily installed on the south pillar. We're going to install sensor 2 on the north pillar and sensor 3 in the kitchen. The next step is to go back to KMC Connect and look at the receive strength that each sensor has in these locations. Our receive strength for sensor 1 is minus 82 dB. For sensor 2, minus 75 dB, and for sensor 3, minus 85 dB. With these receive strength, sensor 2 looks to have good performance at minus 75 dB. For sensors 1 and 3, we may want to adjust the positions, knowing that the cafeteria is a mixed-use space and people come in and out of the area throughout the day. Let's see what we can do to improve the performance of sensors 1 and 3. For sensor 1, let's move the sensor from one face of the pillar to another. For sensor 3, we're going to move the location slightly closer and less obstructed. Now that we've moved our sensors, we're getting minus 67 dB for sensor 1 and minus 70 dB for sensor 3. Receive strength in this range would guarantee adequate performance over time in our mixed-use cafeteria space. Now that we've determined the adequate placement of the sensors and receivers, knowing we have good receive strength, we can permanently mount these sensors on the wall. This is how we've planned the installation and conducted a site survey of the KMC Conquest wireless gateway and sensors. For more information on KMC Conquest wireless gateway and sensors, check out the other videos in this series. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.